full up again. Yeah. Who's if you maga man, I send you a mag.
Hold on. My bumbo clot. From what you say this been a highlight.
Reaction.
What's up YouTube, Mr. Boy Terry Vlogs, aka The Reaction. Back in the video for you guys. If you heard that song from Highlight, yeah man, say kids, I'm telling you man, it's like a job consistent, yeah, fuck. And guess what, Reaction Boss is here. So you come out like a couple of hours ago. I probably post a video for you tomorrow. Is a message so the viewers them know, y'all support the cult them know, say yo, the song drop. You know me I say, so they know say the song out there. So I know see the reaction post and I say, what the reaction come out on the song? Is it me? Some more the song get some time for people to go to it first and then go on to reaction though. And I want to go big up to Highlight. I like when you drop music with them people. I like watching and reacting to music with them. I like react to audio, you know. Oh, what fuck for react to audio? The big batty girl in the audio for me look on the big batty girl in though. That I try to show you now, man. Anyways, Highlight, Narcos. Go see what go on now, man. Shot by JV Beats. Big up yourself. Yo, send kids, what go on. Comment for the video, see your comment. You know, chop already. Like your video. You know, chop already. Yeah, man, subscribe to your channel. Follow my Instagram, people. Hold on. Follow my Instagram. You see me? We are trying to reach 20k followers by Instagram. So go follow me by Instagram. Alright, mad. I go see what I go on. Narcos, run tune! And there you go again, my general, with the girls them. No, it's the one thing I have to tell you more on that one. She. Me not care for your girl. More she. You can't keep the ballad one. More she. You can't keep all the schemas and the Glock 40, the AK-40. You can't keep she. More she. Right there, so. So people, if you all know our Instagram, just drop our Instagram down in the comment section. Or tag me on Instagram. You see me? Or send me our Instagram on Instagram at Life of Terry. Just send it. More at our Instagram. I need to hear one word and say it, but more she. Me serious, me help out the reaction boss. Jesus Christ, read it. Hey, them man have no them man have not name baby gun, you know. No baby gun, them man now. Who the brother here? What kind of daddy you be? Them man now no baby gun in the dark. A baby gun bomba clap at it. Rascal.
Ready. Yeah.
You see me, I have to stretch it with the baking soda. I have to stretch it out with the baking soda. You see me, I say, make enough. Can make more money off it. I have to cut it with the baking soda.
21. Full up a dark, me full up a heart.
The video about her, then he just start. Like your video. Yeah man, like your video. The reaction I go born, the most reaction you ever seen in your life. Watch a style here. Run it!
Full up a dog, me ring full up a yard.
Yeah!
Who's if you maga man, I send you a mag.
Hold on. My bumbo clot. From where you say this been a highlight? If you say from where they hear this been a dog? People, what the fuck him just said a while ago?
Full up a dog, me ring full up a yard. Who's if you maga man, I send you a mag.
What the fuck you just say a while ago? If my maga? I like, hold on, I want for that. I put on the headset. I want for that to say what. If you say yeah, this before what day, you know I like.
Full up a dog, me ring full up a yard. Who's if you maga man, I send you a mag.
Let me tell you, blood clot this egg. My general. And them gun that you walk with, and them gun that I walk with. Let me say, tripod badness. Don't ramp with me. Don't ramp with the reaction boss in my general. Yo, tell you this. I'm strap right there, so. My strap I stay right there so from now on. Right there, so my strap I stay from now on. Because if you say, I think hey boy, I'm tell you this, you know. Yo. Hey. It's alright, man. To my maga, the girl love the maga, man. You see me I say? Maga, man, the girl them all. It's alright. It's blood clot, alright. Yeah, this me. Yeah, this me. Yeah, this me. Hey, blood class. It work. The man on top and put him. Because I like this when you want to come this me to in front of my fans. Them. Alright then. Yeah, everybody fucking the fucking a girl. Walla.
Me the fucking a girl.
Walla. They funny fuck me a fucking a girl. That's him a fucking a girl with him gun in her hand. He not afraid of no weapon to blood clot. Walla. Fuck me the fucking a girl.
When me gun in me hand, no fear any weapon, and I defend anything. I lift me.
Baby, I'm tell you a while ago. I'm tell you I want you, baby. Why you rub the legs them suffer, baby? Reaction boss want you. Tap touch him on him leg, no man. You say a bumbo clap when they beat up and frost out. Left him man alone, no man, and come link reaction boss. And me, if you live in the world for 9 months straight. Blood clot.
Me dey me one and man a hustle the gram. Speak on like a money gram. We and the charger and the plug in a one. Me slap one in your face and show you say you're nobody. Me have it in a waist for who say me go what.
Oh, we forgot the blood class. Say for what you may say, yo. Me don't know if I true or not, you know. What more want to tell me now, you know. Him and bumbo clap, my brother they clash. I mark. If that a go on, that a go on, what a go on, you know. And then me I say, come like all the things them a go on. If that a go on, that nice, you know, man. You know me? So I know if that a go on, crash a boss there feet there. We have multiple versions. You see when crash a go on, we need the clash hype man. Wipe up any song, and if it's a trash. Me don't chat.
Me slap one in your face and show you say you're nobody. Me have it in a waist for who say me go what. What? And I go them a say Mr. Man.
Wanna hear that? The dog say my plug in my charger. Hold on.
We and the charger and the plug in a one.
The dog say my charger and the plug in a one.
Me slap one in your face and show you say you're nobody. Me have it in a waist for who say me go what.
Me slap it in your face and show you say no do what? What is it say?
And I go them a say Mr. Man. Who a say they want beef looking at the cupboard.
Hold on. Me have to watch the video no more to blood clot. But the dog say, what for the liquid them say stubborn. If you want beef, you can't come beef with me kind of beef. Bully beef in the cupboard. Go and pull a tin of bill beef for the key.
Family and I go them a say Mr. Man. Who a say they want beef looking at the cupboard. The queen alone they grab a pelican. Aye. Girl pussy fat me couldn't study no man when them a.
Me tell you that, I'm my girl that. Me no care for your woman, I'm my woman that. Me know what's your pussy fat. Yeah, they may say me then at the whole last night I beat it out 2 times. That me I tell you too. Big up yourself still. You have her every day, you have to pay her for that. Blood buckle out there. What?
Study me for, them a study the dan. So me have SK cause I saw me from. Me killing them dark. And none of my girl them soft. And we are the junks like that.
Alright. Cool. All of me kill them. And all of me got them. We are the junks like. Alright then.
None of my girl them soft.
None of them girl them do what?
And we are the junks like Narcos.
We are the like who? El Chapo?
Burning up your road like Chaco. Me and me them they about me now run. Long as me have it down, me no back.
Ruff.
Me never.
I'm going to flick the cafe and I'm more to blood.
Long as me have it down, me no back down. Me never beg a forward.
I say never beg a forward. I even say that on me. Me beg all heap a forward, you know. Right now I like to you David. Big up yourself, you know, dog. You see me I say give me one shout out there, but you on the next song. Me have to beg forward.
Pain coming over me a dark so you need me ready for who say them a predator. One in a head in a belly when me put it in a full of shoes like a fool like a fool of like a
Hold on.
Me never.
Yo, hold on. I'm general. You know, see me I chat to my people them. If you want to go watch and listen to the full video, you see me I say without me pausing, giving my reaction, want to click on the video for. You see me I say link down below in the comment section in the description. But the dog saying full of shoes like foot like a people you think a blood class sneakers and crap the dog I talk about. The dog saying full of shoes like foot like you think a crap and sneakers and anything they matter about. And anything they matter about, you know.
Every time me have it in the club. Ask you woman about me if you not certain. Guns them everyone they could be no burden. Bleaching at night bang, me not got no curve.
Hey, you know bleach. I still black like pot. Blood clot. highlight. You know, my marker, the highlight of them. When you read the book, you say, hold on, if I highlight that part of nice. I highlight that part there. I aim that. Go on!
I find them a pussy in a girdle. No trouble, if trouble no concern you. I want with that one link circle. Run up on it for your sick and see if it no burn you. Stop it.
If I in my eye marker clash, people like, what when they war? Me want know the blood clot. If I in my eye marker clash, people like, what when they war? Go on!
If you patient like killer they are no 4,000. Dogs from a color like
she shape bad. I like me pussy clot. Hey, me can't take myself serious. We blood clot. What the guy from the next video, next video, last one I react to.
Killer they are no 4,000.
No, so I don't want her again. I want that one and a cheater now. Yeah, look about that one. I see my one now. Yeah, man, me go and fuck that one there. Yeah, I can't keep that. I can't keep her.
Dogs from a color like polo. Ting them low,
Killing them, come. Yeah, father heard it.
Money no pay, and me no back down. Me full up a heart, they full up a d***. With me the fucking again. With me money, I'm speak on like a money gram. One beef looking at the cupboard. Me and me them but me nah run. Whole fake girl them soft. And we are running jokes like Narcos. Money no pay road like Chaco.
That's my like Chaco. Me about yeah, mon chalk. That's class.
Me them but me nah run.
Highlight him them people. Song is called Narcos. Is me and say man on the road. Yeah, man, a bad song, man. Missed the reaction. I don't know if I realize it, but my light in a tree, like, you know, the quality of the video is not really up there. Why? Because I actually don't have my light up with me. I left it somewhere. Well, not so I left it over my dog laugh, so. Wait, I have to give it to videos. I say, because I can't say, I'm not post the video, so I'm my camera, like, I'm saying, my camera work, I'm look alright, and you can still see me. Why am I not going to make a video phone now? You see me? Just a little lighting. I'm going to know so I still go watch reaction boss and support whatever I'm doing. So when I put that phone to one, I'm look good for the girls as usual. Oh gosh, man, wait till the dress them come back. What the blood clot that? Wait till my dress them come back. And them get to the fully length with them for there. My teeth for girl. But my guns to make up for girl them as usual.